Ajor ding kloi pen Pakistan Prime Minister Barim Imran Khan aphan Pakistan Army pen kene ponja phan bor iponlo satame kichunang thek avidetlo Kwan ajir kiding aphi Islamabad arong Sophia long court hearing along kachitong duna horan si Pakistan Army hin pen kene pona sai chun ponlo labang so pen ne pondet pen aphi Imran Khan aphan ki kroyarat Pakistan Army headquarter pen commander satum a hemalong a hearing tangrak pen kachesong dulo Lapuson si Pakistan ada long non amat soluk sodaka tomon setami kejabason si thek pon long lo Prime Minister Barim Imran Khan aphan ke kroira ratum alang lipan Pakistan Army pen kangnang pon birta long det pen aphi aning kang samsel pen aning kipung kacepak lang ja phan pura Rawalpindi garrison arong sopelong kedo Pakistan Army headquarter lapen Lahore arong sopelong kedo corps commander ahemalong dampaksi sodak pen kacesong pon jaime paman pon Labang so solok so tomon ke pang samji la pen rap armu kachapang som ke papraja phanpura police sahin pen tear gas apon laban labang so kache song asongja atuma phan Peshawar arong so pen kangnang pon padon Birta kirib dunlong atengke Islamabad High Court along Imran Khan hin pen biometric asai ke claim pon boma porahut paramilitary rangers atum in hap hai hui ke phalang nu aron kirimatu mate lawyers la pen Imran Khan aphan keraikom sai khia tuma phan areng ahu pasopen nep ingnang pon bor idet lo labang so kangnang pon along army hin pen kepat heke Imran Khan hin pen Pakistan spy agency ISI along inut senior officer aphan a hok helam karbo pon thawa jok pusi paklang pon lo labang so birta rarahong klambalong kele pen Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf chairman mate Prime Minister Barim Imran Khan aphan ke khroy lapen aning ka chathera ratum thur paksi Pakistan Army headquarter ang haphai hui thalang no dam labang so soluk soda atomon ke jaba job Pakistan along Punjab province government atum setami rangers atuma phan ko along pen along ke section 144 setami pabonang ko luputa birta victim no World X report Carbin Nomad